Are pesky mosquitoes ruining your peaceful afternoons and garden time? Wish you could enjoy your yard without those annoying bites and that constant buzzing? I know exactly how frustrating that can be, especially when all you want is to relax outside safely, feeling calm and comfortable in your own space. Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share 10 guaranteed, safe, and easy methods to get rid of mosquitoes in your whole yard. And the best part? None of these tricks involve harmful chemicals, so you can protect yourself, your family, and even your furry friends while still enjoying a bite-free garden. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, your outdoor time will be more peaceful, more relaxing, and a lot more enjoyable. Let's get started. Welcome back to Golden Years Lifestyle Hub, your go-to place for simple, safe, and effective gardening and outdoor living tips made just for seniors. I'm so glad you're here today because we're tackling one of summer's biggest annoyances, those pesky mosquitoes. If you love practical garden and outdoor tips that help you enjoy your golden years more, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on fresh ideas designed just for you. We're building a warm, supportive community where gardening and outdoor living are fun, easy, and safe. Now, let's dive into these mosquito-busting tips that will help you reclaim your yard and enjoy those peaceful summer afternoons again. Method 1. Eliminate standing water. One of the simplest and most effective ways to keep mosquitoes away is to eliminate their breeding grounds, and that means getting rid of standing water. Mosquitoes lay their eggs in stagnant water, and it doesn't take much at all. Even small amounts, like the water that collects in bird baths, flower pot saucers, or clogged gutters, can become a perfect nursery for these pesky bugs. So here's what you can do. Make it a habit to regularly empty and clean any containers that hold water around your yard. Bird baths, pet bowls, plant trays. Check them at least once a week and refresh the water or empty them completely. If you notice any low spots in your garden where water tends to collect after rain, try filling them with sand or soil. This simple fix helps prevent puddles from sticking around long enough for mosquitoes to multiply. For an extra level of protection, consider using mosquito dunks. These are small, easy-to-use biological larvicides that safely kill mosquito larvae but won't harm birds, pets, or beneficial insects. You just place them in standing water that you can eliminate, like rain barrels or ponds. And here's some good news. You don't need any fancy tools or complicated equipment for this. Just a little regular checking while you take your garden strolls can make a huge difference. Keeping your yard free of standing water is a simple step that goes a long way toward making your outdoor time mosquito-free and enjoyable. Method 2. Plant mosquito-repelling herbs. Did you know that some plants do double duty by adding beauty to your garden while naturally keeping mosquitoes away? That's right. Certain herbs and flowers have scents that mosquitoes just don't like, making them wonderful allies in your fight against those buzzing nuisances. Some of the best mosquito-repelling plants you can grow include Citronella, Lavender, Marigolds, Basil, and Rosemary. Not only do these plants smell great, but they also bring color and charm to your outdoor spaces. Here's a handy tip. Place these plants near your favorite seating areas, patios, or even by windows where you like to keep doors open. This way, you create a natural barrier that helps keep mosquitoes at bay while you enjoy your garden. The best part? These herbs are quite simple to care for and usually affordable to start. You can find small starter plants at your local nursery or garden center without spending a lot. And don't worry if you don't have a big garden. Even a few small pots on your porch, windowsill, or balcony can make a big difference in reducing mosquitoes around you. So, adding some mosquito-repelling plants to your garden isn't just pretty, it's a smart and natural way to protect yourself while enjoying the outdoors. Plus, you might find yourself harvesting fresh herbs for cooking, too. Method 3. Use fans in outdoor seating areas. Here's a surprisingly simple way to keep mosquitoes away while you relax outside. Use a fan. Mosquitoes are actually weak flyers, and even a gentle breeze created by a fan is enough to make it difficult for them to land on you. You don't need anything fancy. Portable fans, clip-on fans, or standing fans all work well in outdoor seating areas. Just set one up near your favorite chair or bench and enjoy the cool airflow that keeps those pesky bugs at bay. If you're using a fan, especially electric ones, remember to place it within easy reach so you can turn it on and off without bending or heavy lifting. This makes it safer and more comfortable to use. One important safety note: always avoid using electric fans in wet areas or where they could get splashed with water. Keep cords and plugs dry to prevent any accidents. Using a fan is a gentle, non-chemical way to protect yourself from mosquitoes while adding a refreshing breeze to your outdoor time. It's a win-win for comfort and peace of mind. Method 4. Homemade mosquito traps. If you enjoy a little DIY, homemade mosquito traps are a clever and effective way to reduce mosquitoes right in your yard using simple household ingredients. These traps work by attracting mosquitoes and then capturing them, helping to lower their numbers around your outdoor space. One popular and easy recipe uses just sugar, yeast, and water. Here's how to make it. Take a clean plastic bottle and cut it in half. Mix about a cup of warm water with 2 tablespoons of sugar, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Then add a teaspoon of active dry yeast. No need to mix it in. The yeast produces carbon dioxide, which attracts mosquitoes. Place the bottom half of the bottle as a trap and invert the top half to create a funnel, fitting it into the bottom piece. Tape or secure the 2 parts together so mosquitoes can enter but can't easily escape. For best results, place your trap in a shady, sheltered spot outdoors, somewhere away from where you usually sit but close enough to catch mosquitoes before they reach you. A quick word of caution: these traps need regular maintenance. Replace the bait every 1 to 2 weeks to keep it fresh and effective, and clean the trap as needed to prevent mold or unwanted smells. With just a little effort, homemade traps are a safe, natural, and inexpensive way to help keep your yard mosquito-free, letting you enjoy your garden time more peacefully. Method 5. Natural oils and sprays. Another gentle and natural way to keep mosquitoes at bay is by using essential oils known for their mosquito-repelling properties. Oils like eucalyptus, tea tree, and neem are excellent choices. They're safe, effective, and add a fresh scent to your outdoor space. You can easily make your own mosquito spray at home by diluting a few drops of these essential oils with water or a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil. For example, mix about 10 to 15 drops of your chosen essential oil with a cup of water in a spray bottle. Shake well before each use to blend the mixture. These natural sprays can be applied around your garden seating areas, on outdoor furniture, or even on plants to create a mosquito repellent zone. Just remember to spray gently and avoid soaking the plants. Before spraying widely, it's a good idea to test a small patch of your plants or surfaces to make sure they don't react negatively to the oils. Some sensitive plants might show slight damage if sprayed too heavily. Using natural oils and sprays is a wonderful, chemical-free option to keep mosquitoes away while enjoying the aromas and benefits of plants and herbs in your garden. Plus, making your own spray is simple, affordable, and rewarding. Method 6. Introduce beneficial wildlife. Did you know that some of nature's own creatures are excellent mosquito controllers? Birds, bats, and dragonflies all feast on mosquitoes, helping keep their numbers down in your garden naturally. To invite these helpful visitors, you can set up simple and senior-friendly features around your yard. Bird feeders placed in quiet spots attract insect-eating birds. Installing a bat house provides a cozy home for bats, who can eat thousands of mosquitoes in a single night. And adding a small water feature or garden pond encourages dragonflies, which are graceful predators of mosquitoes in their larval and adult stages. These setups don't require heavy lifting or complicated maintenance. For example, bird feeders just need occasional refilling and cleaning. Bat houses can be mounted on a pole or tree at a comfortable height, and water features can be small, easy-to-manage containers. Encouraging beneficial wildlife supports a natural balance in your garden, making it healthier and safer for you and the environment. It's an eco-friendly way to reduce mosquitoes while enjoying the sights and sounds of nature's little helpers. So, by welcoming these natural mosquito predators, you're creating a garden that works with nature to keep your outdoor space peaceful and enjoyable. Method 7. Use mosquito nets and screens. Sometimes the best defense is a good barrier. Using physical mosquito nets and screens is a reliable way to protect your outdoor seating areas, patios, or even windows from those pesky bugs. You can install mosquito netting around your porch or patio to create a comfortable, enclosed space where you can relax without worrying about bites. There are also pop-up tents with built-in screens that are lightweight and easy to set up, perfect for enjoying your garden while staying bug-free. Window screens are another great option to keep mosquitoes from sneaking into your home when you like to let fresh air in. When choosing netting or screens, look for materials that are light and easy to handle, so installation and removal won't be a hassle. Many options come with simple clips, magnets, or Velcro strips that make setting them up quick and fuss-free. Using mosquito nets and screens provides a safe, chemical-free way to enjoy your outdoor spaces comfortably, giving you peace of mind whether you're reading a book, having tea, or entertaining guests. It's like creating your own little mosquito-free sanctuary right at home. Method 8. Mulching and yard maintenance. Keeping your yard tidy is more than just about looks. It's also a powerful way to reduce places where mosquitoes like to hide and rest. Mosquitoes thrive in shady, damp areas, so regular yard maintenance can make a big difference in keeping them away. Here are some simple tips. Remove leaf litter and debris from flower beds and lawn edges. Keep your grass neatly trimmed, and clear away brush or dense vegetation where mosquitoes might take shelter during the day. For seniors, using ergonomic gardening tools with comfortable grips and lightweight designs can make these tasks easier and gentler on your hands and back. Tools like long-handled rakes or electric trimmers reduce bending and strain, so you can maintain your yard comfortably. Besides helping with mosquito control, regular mulching and yard tidying promote a healthier garden overall, better soil, stronger plants, and fewer pests. It's a win-win that keeps your outdoor space beautiful and more enjoyable year-round. So, by spending a little time keeping your yard neat, you're creating a cleaner, safer environment for you and your loved ones to relax and enjoy. Method 9. Water movement devices. One of the easiest ways to stop mosquitoes from breeding is to keep water moving. Mosquitoes need still, stagnant water to lay their eggs, so by adding movement, you make your water features and ponds less inviting to them. Small fountains are a wonderful option. They're affordable, simple to install, and add a lovely, calming sound to your garden. Another great choice is solar-powered aerators, which are perfect for ponds or larger water containers. These devices gently circulate the water using clean, renewable energy, requiring little effort on your part. For seniors, these options are especially convenient because they're low maintenance and don't require complicated setups. Plus, the soothing sound of flowing water brings extra peace and relaxation to your outdoor space, making your garden not just mosquito-free but also a tranquil retreat. So, by adding a bit of water movement, you're naturally discouraging mosquitoes while enhancing the beauty and serenity of your garden. It's a simple change that makes a big difference. Method 10. Professional and community options. Sometimes, keeping mosquitoes under control goes beyond what we can do in our own yards. Many communities offer local mosquito control programs that help reduce mosquito populations across neighborhoods, making outdoor spaces safer for everyone. It's a good idea to check if your area has scheduled community spraying or natural treatment programs. These efforts often use methods that balance effectiveness with environmental care. If you find that professional services are needed for your home or garden, look for companies that specialize in safe, eco-friendly treatments. Ask about the products they use and choose those that minimize harm to beneficial insects, pets, and the environment. Remember, you're not alone in this. Many communities provide support and resources to help residents enjoy their outdoor spaces comfortably and safely. By combining your personal mosquito control steps with these community efforts, you're playing an important part in creating a healthier, more enjoyable environment for yourself and your neighbors. You don't need expensive gadgets or harsh chemicals to win this battle against mosquitoes. Sometimes, the simplest, gentlest steps are the most effective. By taking small actions regularly, like checking for standing water, planting mosquito-repelling herbs, or using a fan, you can create a peaceful, mosquito-free space that you truly enjoy. Remember, gardening and yard care are about joy and comfort, not perfection or rushing. Go at your own pace and celebrate each little victory along the way. And if mobility or physical limitations are a concern, don't worry. Many of these methods can be easily adapted to fit your needs. Raised containers, lightweight tools, or having a friend or family member help can make all the difference. You have the power to create a beautiful, safe outdoor space that brings you happiness and peace, no matter your situation. Keep going. You've got this. Safety tips 1. Always wear gloves when handling chemicals or plant sprays. Even natural sprays or larvicides can sometimes irritate your skin, so gloves protect your hands and keep you comfortable. 2. Be careful with ladders or reaching high places. If you need to clean gutters or place traps up high, don't hesitate to ask for help. Safety first. It's better to have a steady hand assisting than risking a fall. 3. Use ergonomic tools to protect your joints and back. Gardening should be enjoyable, not painful. Tools designed with comfortable grips and long handles reduce strain, helping you work longer without discomfort. 4. Avoid spraying oils or placing traps near pets or food areas. Some natural oils can be harmful to pets if they ingest them or get sprayed on them. Keep sprays and traps away from places where your pets eat or play, and be mindful if you have children around. 5. Stay hydrated and take breaks when working outside. Gardening can be surprisingly physical. Drink plenty of water and don't push yourself too hard. Take breaks to rest and stretch to keep feeling your best. By following these safety tips, you'll protect yourself and those around you while making your garden a more enjoyable, mosquito-free haven. Safety and comfort always go hand in hand with great gardening. I'd love to hear from you. What mosquito control tips or tricks have worked best in your yard? Whether it's a clever homemade trap, a favorite plant, or a simple routine, please share your stories or questions in the comments below. Your experience might just help a fellow gardener. If you've tried any mosquito solutions in your garden, feel free to share photos in our community groups. Seeing your creative ideas inspires everyone and builds a supportive space where we can all learn and grow together. And if you haven't already, consider joining the Golden Years Lifestyle Hub community. It's a wonderful place to connect with fellow senior gardeners who share your passion for simple, safe, and enjoyable outdoor living. We're all here to support each other on this gardening journey. If you found these mosquito control tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really supports our growing community. Don't forget to subscribe to Golden Years Lifestyle Hub and click the notification bell so you'll never miss new ideas that make gardening safer and more enjoyable. And if you know friends or family who struggle with mosquitoes in their yards, please share this video with them. Let's help everyone enjoy their outdoor spaces without those pesky bites. Remember, gardening and enjoying your outdoor space is truly one of life's great pleasures, especially in our golden years. With these safe and simple mosquito control methods, you can reclaim your yard and savor every peaceful moment outside. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Wishing you happy, peaceful, and mosquito-free gardening. Until next time.